Movement. Movement. That's important. Look around. Look around yourself. Can't you really find something beautiful around you that makes you feel good? That gives you a sense of power and confidence? How can't you see this greatness and science? If you cannot, because you closed your eyes, because you only sat down, because you filled your mind with your own desire, with many rubbish, and you do nothing to change them because you think too much, and nothing will change unless you move. You only need to get up. Yeah, just get up. Take the first step and hit the road. Rest of the way is open for you. They show themselves to you. They surrender to you. You just step in and move. The world still has lots of beauties to explore. Remember, you are made amazing, and the world belongs to you. Just step in and never give up.